Hi, today we're talking about CCM8, Unit 2, Lesson 1, changing decimals to fractions. There are 3 steps from changing a decimal to a fraction. First step is determine the place value of the last number in the decimal. This becomes your denominator. Make the decimal number the numerator, then reduce. A tip, read your decimal out loud as you write it. For example, you have this number here, it is red, 625 thousandths. So 1,000 is my denominator, 625 is my numerator. Once you've gotten it written as a fraction, start reducing. Think to yourself, what number goes into both the numerator and the denominator? From the top of my head, I just chose 25. So 625 divided by 25 is 25. 1,000 divided by 25 is 40. Now, I realize this can be reduced again if I divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5. I get 5/8. So 5/8 is equivalent to 625 thousandths, just in fraction form. So let's try a couple. We've got number 1, that's 12 thousandths. That's the thousandths place. So we just write 12 over 1,000. And I realize they're both even numbers, so they're divisible by 2. The number 12 is also divisible by 4, and 1,000 is also divisible by 4. So I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 1,000 divided by 4 is 250. And that's the simplest this fraction can get. Let's take a look at a number greater than 1. When I change this number, 1 and 45 hundredths, to a fraction, it's going to become a mixed number, 1 and 45 over 100. Then I just reduce the 45 hundredths part. I know that 5 goes into 45 and 100. Don't forget your whole number. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 100 divided by 5 is 20. And that's it. Why don't you try this one by yourself on your own paper? Pause the video, and then when you're done, push play and you'll see the answer. Did you get 7 and 3/5? Hope so. Okay, we've got 2 more examples to do. The first one is negative 5 hundredths. So negative 5 hundredths. And both of these numbers are divisible by 5. So that's negative 1/20th. And the last one. Why don't you try this one on your own? Pause the video, and then when you're done, push play and you'll see the answer. Did you get 329 over 500? Hope so.